Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So Mike took his second trip out from Michigan to have us upgrade the audio on his bike again. So he had a pretty good install the last time around, but as always, you always want to go bigger and better. So we had 10s in the bags first time around. This time we also did 10s, but we sealed and ported the bags. We swapped out the 3000 for a 5000, upgraded the front speakers and the lowers to Cicada CH, added horn tweeters to the Tour Pack speakers, and added another amplifier. So now he's running a 3 amp setup. So the bike sounded really good the last time around. Now it sounds really, really good. So it's louder, it's got more bass, the highs are crisper. Anything that Mike does, he does to the extreme. So he's got a fully built motor on the bike, always needs to go faster, make more horsepower, and it's the same thing with the audio. So I think he's done for audio upgrades for now. The only thing we're going to do is over the winter, we're going to run a set of fiberglass bags. These are ABS extended bags. We're going to run fiberglass bags, 1.5 cubic feet, sealed and ported, and that's going to give them even more bass. But couldn't do it this time around because we couldn't get the bags in time. So we're going to save it for a project over the winter. But this build came out phenomenal. He always leaves it up to me. He just tells me what he's trying to do. We put it together. He trusts us. And I believe we were able to make him happy. I'm really happy the way this bike sounds. Check it out.
I cannot believe this, we just laid it down. What are you gonna tell him when he comes back in town? Are you gonna let him know that I'm giving you the business? I tried my best to let it go, but I could not resist it. It's too tempting, I'm slipping, touching it, feeling. Me and him be kicking it, while all the while I'm hitting it.
Market prices, but the reality is, it's just ordinary blokes.
to the world. The world must need technology. Thanks to modern technology.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Mike's on his second trip from Michigan to get the audio upgrade on his bike. How's your bike sound?
Wonderful.
Are you completely happy?
More than happy.
Awesome, thank you.